Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to see your Steam library on mobile. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update in January 2023, Steam did not have an official mobile app that allowed users to view the entire game library. However, you could access some features of your Steam account on mobile through the Steam mobile app. Please note that there might be updates or changes after my last training data in January 2023. So now let's begin to access your Steam library on mobile device. Follow these general steps. So now begin by downloading and installing the official Steam mobile application, which is available for download on the Google Play Store or App Store. Once the installation is complete, open the Steam mobile app and log in using your valid Steam account credentials. After successfully logging in to the main menu by tapping on the three lines located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Within the menu options, select Library. This will lead you to a section where you can explore and manage the list of games associated with your Steam account. In the Library section, you will find a comprehensive list of your games you own on the Steam platform. This feature allows you to conveniently view and interact with your game library directly from your mobile device. Always remember to check for updates to the Steam mobile app for any new features and improvements that might enhance your mobile gaming experience. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.